Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix VLC subtitles not displaying properly. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If VLC subtitles are not displaying properly, you can try the following solutions. So the first step would be ensure that the subtitle file format, SRT, SUB, etc. is compatible with VLC. Make sure the subtitle file has the same name as the video file and is in the same directory. Another step, outdated software might have bugs. Update VLC to the latest version available. Another method, open VLC and go to Tools, then Preferences. In the Preferences window, choose Subtitles, OSD, and the left sidebar. Adjust settings like Force Subtitle Position to see if it improves display. Another method, in the Subtitles menu, when saving, choose Subtitle Track and try changing the encoding UTF-8, ANSI, etc. to match the subtitle file. Another method, sometimes corrupted video files can affect subtitle display. Verify that the video file is intact and not corrupted. Another method, if subtitles are downloaded from the internet, try downloading them again from a reliable source. Another method, ensure that the fonts used in the subtitles are installed on your system. VLC might have trouble displaying subtitles with missing fonts. Another method, in VLC, go to Tools, Preferences. At the bottom, check the box that says Reset Preferences and hit OK. Now, consider using an external subtitle player or an alternative media player to see if the issue persists. Now, if all else fails, try uninstalling VLC and reinstall it back again. Remember to restart VLC after making changes to see if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, it may be related to the specific subtitle file or video content. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.